rising.
Yeah.
It's slower though.
Oh, Jesus.
What the hell's that? Somebody tape it? Huh?
What, did you do it?
No, I didn't do it. Somebody taped it. Oh, April 4. I'll bet you 10-1 Harry did it.
Harry, I'm gonna kill you!
Let me get it off. I'll bet you 10-1 that's why he came down.